How to use speech to text in Google Docs. Hi guys, let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is to be on your Google Docs application. Now the next thing is for you to locate the document you want to be using for this. Now for me, I'm going to be using a blank document, and all I need to do is to click on the plus icon at the bottom of my screen, and then I'm going to be clicking on new documents. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to your keypad. Now as you can see my keypad on your screen, there's a microphone icon just before the letters and the numbers. There's a microphone icon at the top there on my keypad. You're going to be tapping on that microphone icon on my keypad, and then you're going to be saying whatever you want on this Google Docs. And as you're saying it, it's going to be typing by itself on this document. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, and guys, this is how easy it is to use speech to text on your Google Docs. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.